Hi there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 287 of our Be a Better You annual challenge. Today we're talking about, of course, physical health and well-being. And our topic is, I knew it was going to fall, sleep, which just got stuck in my hair. I got this as a gift. I was going to wear it today for my video, and then I just couldn't make myself. It is beautiful. My mom got it for me after my divorce, which I think is hilarious, right? Sorry, sometimes live video, you drop everything. It's one of those days. I had it hanging up there, but then I sat on it when I was starting the video. So this beautiful peignoir, I don't know if anybody even knows what peignoirs are anymore or call them that, was a gift to me from my mom after my divorce. Now, even when I was married, I probably wouldn't have worn this to bed, right? Not really. It's beautiful. It's flowy and lovely and princess-like, but it is definitely not sleep conducive. Well, our topic today is the importance of sleep and our physical health and well-being. Now, I don't remember when it was. It was probably only like 15 years ago that I learned the information that our bodies only heal or regenerate or repair themselves when we're sleeping. So especially if you've got some kind of an illness or a sickness or a cold, right now I got a little cold in my nose, it's imperative that we get enough sleep and that we take care of ourselves. And sleep is one of the best ways to do that. If you ever get an injury, or if you have, I've got so much stuff that I've had over the course of my lifetime, and I learned that sleep is the best way generally to repair a lot of those things that our body needs repaired, because our bodies are miraculous. They fix and take care of themselves if we allow them to, if we let them. The only time we find ourselves in illness or sickness is if we are doing something that creates that. That is really a harsh reality to face, but it's absolutely true, up to and including my sudden cardiac arrest. I understand how I actually manifested and created that death event in my life. I know, shocking. But once I realized that, then I realized I had control over making the changes that were required in my life so that it would never happen again. And one of those was to get some rest, get some stress relieving and restorative sleep. And I started sleeping instead of 2 to 4 hours a night. And I did that for decades. I would think it was a good night if I got 4 hours of sleep. And I switched that up to, I needed to get at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep, usually 7 or 8, every single night, no matter what, and did that for several years. And now I pretty much get 7 hours of sleep. I'm not very good at the 8, but I try to get 8 if I can, but I like to get up early, make my content, and do other things before everybody else wakes up and starts their day. Because it's more peaceful and quiet, and I get a little time of peace and quiet, which is also restful and restorative. So my question for you today, and our action item today, is to share in the comments below at least one thing that helps you get sleep, or one way you can make yourself get more sleep. My sisters are nappers. I've never been able to nap during the day, unless I'm really, really sick, which doesn't happen very often. It's really challenging for me to rest and lay down during the day. Although I will admit to nodding off, watching and zoning out on children's shows with my granddaughters on occasion. We'll be sitting on the couch or something, and all of a sudden I'll wake up a little bit, and I'm like, oh heck, I nodded off there. So I guess I probably could nap too if I so chose. But I'm not going to go down to my bed and find my bed and nap. My bed is strictly for sleeping. That's one of my guidelines. Make my bed every morning. I didn't always. I did, and then I didn't, and then I did again, because my son encouraged me to. And it's incredible how easy a thing that is to do, to give yourself a little success win first thing in the morning, right? It's like having a morning routine and doing meditations or affirmations or something in the morning, and having different things that you ritualistically or habitually do that make you feel better. Same is true with our sleep. So share in the comments below one thing that helps you to sleep better. Maybe it's beautiful nightwear. Maybe it's super comfy. I'm like a super comfy night person. Got to have super soft, super comfortable pajamas to sleep in. I just love that. Why would I not want to sleep in something soft and cozy and it's like wrapping yourself up in a warm hug? All right, I digress. Any help with this? I don't know why you'd need help with this, because you know you better than anyone else does. But share in the comments below at least one thing, right? One thing. My 4-year-old granddaughter wears sleep masks. She got a sleep mask as a gift, and she discovered she loves them. So now I think she's got like half a dozen. She doesn't always wear them, but it's so adorable when she does. I mean, it just makes the little heart sing. All right. Have an awesome day. I will be with you tomorrow for another physical health and well-being topic that can help us become the best possible version of ourselves and make the world a better place. All right. Bye.